Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're talking about what might just be the best ceramic coating spray car paint protection available right now. Leno's Garage Radiant Ceramic Coating. If you're looking for an easy, effective, and long-lasting way to keep your vehicle looking like it just rolled out of a showroom, this product deserves your attention. Let's start with what makes this ceramic coating stand out. Developed under the Leno's Garage brand, which is known for premium car care products, Radiant Ceramic Coating is designed to offer next-level protection for your car or truck's paint. It creates a strong ceramic barrier that shields your vehicle's exterior from harmful UV rays, road grime, and weather elements. Unlike traditional waxes, this isn't just a surface treatment. It chemically bonds to your paint, creating a lasting, hydrophobic layer. It's perfect if you live in areas prone to dust, rain, or harsh sun exposure. But let's talk application, because that's where many products fall short. Radiant Ceramic Coating is a spray-on formula that requires no heavy buffing or expensive tools. You simply spray it on, wipe it with a microfiber towel, and you're done. Within minutes, you'll see the shine pop, and the surface feels ultra-slick to the touch. It's ideal for both beginners and pros, whether you're refreshing an old detail or maintaining a ceramic-coated car. Another standout feature is its versatility. This spray isn't just for painted surfaces. You can apply it on glass, chrome, wheels, and even trim without worry. So if you're detailing your entire car, this is a single product solution that simplifies your kit without compromising results. Let's talk longevity. While many sprays promise a glossy finish, few last beyond a couple of washes. Radiant Ceramic Coating offers a durable finish that keeps your car looking freshly detailed for weeks. It also doubles as a maintenance spray if your car already has a ceramic coating, adding a layer of rejuvenation and protection. Now, for those of you concerned about price, here's the scoop. It's competitively priced at just under $17, currently discounted from the regular price of $19.95. That's a solid deal for premium-level performance. Just note, if you're ordering from outside the US, there may be some shipping and import charges. To sum up, Leno's Garage Radiant Ceramic Coating is a top-tier ceramic spray that delivers on every promise: shine, protection, ease of use, and versatility. Whether you're new to car detailing or a seasoned enthusiast, this product earns its place in your garage. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more in-depth breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what product you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.